Brooskaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1920 Underwood No.5 antique desktop typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Up top is the adjustable paper guide. This helps you guide the page in straight. And I like to line it up with the edge of the platen. And this paper finger is also a guide on each side. You have to have them lined up with the page so it feeds it correctly. The margins are located up front here. You just pinch them and move them like that. And you just got to make sure that those are in between the paper fingers or else you'll type over them. That's about right. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the sign space, gets you back to the beginning. It skips 1, 2, or 3. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip the switch down 1 to the middle. Skips 2, 1 more, skips 3. That works good. We're going to keep it on single and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Beautiful typing machine. If you know anything about this model, it's very popular, very well designed. It was revolutionary back in this era. Dominated the market for over 30 years. Pull the page out easier. There's a switch on the right side. You flip that down and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy, or a little thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back up before you load the next page or else it won't load correctly. The backspace on the top left, that works good. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the right side. To clear that, hit the opposite shift button. Tab button on the top right. These are manual set in the carriage, and you just push it down like this and just move them wherever you want to move them, and it locks in with the teeth on each one of these. And if you don't want to use one, you can just push it down and move it all the way to the end there like that. And I'll show you from the back how it works. It stops at each one of those tabs. It's got a scale up top to tell you exactly where they're set. That works good. Top right is your color selector switch. Right now we have a solid black ribbon, but if you switch it to the right, to the red, it'll print the bottom portion of the ribbon. If you have it on the left, it prints the top portion of the ribbon. That works good. There's a little switch up top here to lock it in the middle so it doesn't print at all. To unlock it, you just flip that to the right. This is your ribbon ratchet. If you push it in, it'll pull to the left. If you pull it out, it'll pull to the right, and you can wind it like that. We wanted to keep pulling to the left because all the brand new ribbons loaded on the right side here. And carriage release right here, very smooth. That button right there. One on this side too, right in front of the knob. That works good. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooskaw Antiques.